Alright, this is a very important day. This is David Williams' first food. Are you ready, sweetie? This is applesauce we made for you. With the apples from our trees. Dang. Is it real? Is it true? Can I have it? Pink. Yummy. That's sweet.
Oh, sucks it back in there.
It's okay, that's not bad.
Yeah, let's put that in again. Yeah. Mm. What do you think? Do you want some more? It's Thanksgiving Day at Anything in Uncle Brad's house. Open it up. See if you like it. There you go. Yeah, look at the hang of these spoons. Florence is an old pro. She knows how to do it too. What do you think? You want to hold the spoon yourself? You do it here. You want to feed some applesauce to it? Okay, let me get it for you. Hold on. Let me get it for you, sweetie. Okay, let me get it and then you can hold it with me. There you go. Just a little bit on there. Yeah, he says, oh, I want that. Thank you. Good job, Florence. You want to get a little bit more? Just a tiny little bit. Okay, now do it.
Good job, everyone.
Good job. Thanks. Okay, let me take the spoon for a second. Should we do this more? You want to go back to your spot, sweetie, and put that down?
Oh, he's reaching now.
Yeah, he says, I want that. That's good stuff.
I give it to him.
Okay, let's see if you can get that in his mouth. Wait until he opens. Wait until he opens. Show it to him. He says, okay. Ready? You want it? Open.
He's like, oh, yes.
You ate some